Teamwork is essential because it combines diverse skills, perspectives, and ideas, enabling individuals to achieve goals that might be unattainable alone. It fosters collaboration, improves problem-solving, and enhances efficiency by distributing tasks effectively. Moreover, teamwork builds trust, strengthens relationships, and promotes a supportive environment, driving success in both personal and professional endeavors. Collaboration and shared goals. Teamwork involves individuals with diverse skills and perspectives working together towards common objectives. Synergy and enhanced outcomes. By combining individual strengths, teams can achieve outcomes that surpass what individual members could accomplish alone. Collaborative effort. Shared goals and responsibilities. Effective communication and coordination. Increased productivity. Teamwork can lead to higher output and efficiency. By pooling resources and skills, individuals can accomplish more together than they could alone. Improved creativity. Collaboration fosters innovation. By exchanging perspectives, teams can generate fresh ideas and find solutions that might not have been possible individually. Enhanced problem solving. Teamwork allows for a more comprehensive approach to problem solving. Different team members bring unique perspectives and expertise, leading to a more robust solution. Teamwork is crucial in today's workplaces. Effective teams improve communication, increase productivity, and boost employee morale. It fosters a sense of ownership and shared responsibility, leading to better problem solving and innovation. By working together, individuals can contribute their unique skills and perspectives, leading to more comprehensive solutions. Teamwork is crucial in education, fostering collaboration, problem solving, and critical thinking skills. From group projects to classroom discussions, students learn to work together, communicate effectively, and share responsibilities, preparing them for future success. Clear and effective. Open and honest communication builds trust and ensures everyone is on the same page. Active listening. Understanding perspectives and feedback from all team members is crucial for collaboration. Regular check-ins. Consistent communication keeps everyone informed and allows for adjustments as needed. Foundation of teamwork. Trust is essential for effective collaboration, as it allows team members to rely on each other's abilities and contributions. Open communication. Respect fosters open communication, where team members feel comfortable sharing ideas and concerns, leading to better decision-making. Conflict resolution. Mutual respect enables team members to disagree respectfully and find constructive solutions to conflicts. Open communication. Teamwork allows for open communication of ideas, encouraging diverse perspectives and unconventional solutions. Collaboration and shared vision. Team members can build upon each other's ideas, leading to a more comprehensive and innovative solution. Risk-taking and experimentation. A supportive team environment encourages risk-taking and experimentation, leading to breakthroughs and innovation. Delegation. Effective delegation allows team members to focus on their strengths and contribute in meaningful ways. Accountability. Each member understands their role and is responsible for their assigned tasks, ensuring everyone contributes to the team's goals. Open communication. Encourage open and honest communication to address issues. Active listening. Listen attentively to understand perspectives and avoid assumptions. Finding common ground. Focus on shared goals and values to bridge differences. Seeking compromise. Find mutually acceptable solutions that satisfy everyone's needs. Team spirit is the shared enthusiasm, commitment, and sense of belonging that fosters a positive and productive work environment. Strong team spirit leads to increased collaboration, communication, and overall job satisfaction. A team with high morale is more likely to achieve its goals and overcome challenges. Effective leaders inspire and empower their teams, fostering collaboration and shared success. Open and clear communication is essential for leaders to guide and motivate their team members. Leaders set a clear vision and direction, ensuring that everyone understands the team's goals and objectives. Roles and responsibilities. Clear roles and responsibilities help each team member understand their contribution and avoid duplication of effort. Communication styles. Understanding different communication preferences and fostering open communication are crucial for effective teamwork. Conflict management. Developing healthy conflict resolution skills helps teams navigate disagreements constructively and reach solutions. Team cohesion. Shared goals, values, and a sense of belonging contribute to team cohesion, enhancing collaboration and commitment. Communication breakdowns. Misunderstandings and lack of clarity can hinder progress. Conflict resolution. Addressing disagreements constructively is essential for team harmony. Uneven workload distribution. Ensuring fair and balanced contributions from all members is crucial. Lack of trust. Building trust among team members is fundamental for effective collaboration. Sports are a prime example of the importance of teamwork. Team members rely on each other's skills and abilities to achieve victory. From synchronized swimming to football, every athlete contributes to the overall performance of the team. The success of a sports team often depends on the ability of its members to cooperate, communicate effectively, and support one another. Virtual collaboration tools like video conferencing and project management software have revolutionized teamwork, allowing teams to work remotely and effectively. Cloud-based platforms enable seamless data sharing, real-time updates, and collaboration on documents, fostering a connected and efficient team environment. Automation tools can handle repetitive tasks, freeing up team members to focus on creative problem-solving and strategic decision-making. Metric. Description. Productivity. Output, efficiency, and timely completion of tasks. Innovation. Creativity, problem-solving, and generating new ideas. Collaboration. Effective communication, mutual support, and shared goals. Team satisfaction. Morale, engagement, and individual contributions. Boosting morale. Working in a team can make employees feel more valued and connected, leading to higher morale and job satisfaction. Reducing stress. Sharing responsibilities and workload can help reduce stress and anxiety for individuals, making it easier to cope with demanding tasks. Building confidence. Succeeding in teamwork situations can boost confidence and self-esteem, encouraging individuals to take on more challenges. Shared responsibility. Crises require a collective effort, with each member contributing their unique skills and expertise. Clear communication. Effective communication is vital for coordinating actions, sharing information, and ensuring everyone is on the same page. Decision-making. Collaborative decision-making processes help to ensure the best possible course of action is taken. Broader perspectives. Diversity in teams brings together individuals with varied backgrounds, experiences, and viewpoints, enriching problem-solving and decision-making. Creative solutions. Different perspectives foster creativity and innovation, leading to more comprehensive and impactful solutions. Enhanced communication. Exposure to diverse communication styles and cultural nuances improves understanding and collaboration within the team. Flexibility and agility. Effective teams can quickly adapt to changing circumstances and requirements, adjusting strategies and approaches as needed. Openness to change. Team members should be receptive to new ideas and willing to embrace change, fostering a culture of continuous improvement. Communication. Clear and effective communication is essential for teamwork. It involves active listening, giving and receiving feedback, and using appropriate language. Collaboration. Successful teamwork requires individuals to work together towards a common goal. It involves shared responsibility, mutual support, and a willingness to compromise. Problem solving. Teams need to be able to identify and solve problems effectively. This involves brainstorming, critical thinking, and creative solutions. Collaboration. Teams that collaborate focus on shared goals and mutual success, working together to achieve common objectives. Competition. Teams that compete are driven by individual achievements and a desire to outperform others, focusing on personal success. Increased job satisfaction. Teamwork fosters a sense of belonging and achievement, boosting employee morale and job satisfaction. Enhanced career growth. Collaborative skills are highly valued in today's workplace, leading to greater career opportunities and advancement. Improved communication and problem solving. The ability to work effectively in teams improves communication and problem solving skills, valuable assets in various fields. Constructive criticism. Feedback should be specific, actionable, and focused on improvement, not personal attacks. Open communication. Create a safe space for team members to share their thoughts and opinions openly and honestly. Regular feedback loops. Regular feedback sessions ensure that everyone stays aligned and on track to achieve common goals. Appreciation. Acknowledging the unique talents and efforts of each team member fosters a sense of value and belonging. Motivation. Public recognition and appreciation boost morale and inspire individuals to continue contributing their best. Teamwork. Celebrating individual achievements strengthens the team's bond and reinforces the importance of collective success. Teamwork is evolving to adapt to new technologies and globalized work environments. The future of teamwork is likely to involve even more diverse and distributed teams, requiring advanced communication and collaboration tools to foster seamless interaction. Inspiring examples of successful teamwork demonstrate the power of collaboration. The Apollo 13 mission is a testament to the effectiveness of teams facing unforeseen challenges. Collaboration is key. Teamwork is not simply a choice, but an essential component of success in both personal and professional life. Invest in teams. Prioritize investing in team-building activities, fostering communication, and recognizing individual contributions. Future of teamwork. Embrace the evolution of teamwork in a rapidly changing world, adapting to new technologies and challenges.